Come pack with me for an overnight trip to Odawara. Hi guys, it's Caitlin. Thanks so much for being here. A few weeks ago I went on a solo overnight trip to Odawara and I wanted to take you along in my packing journey, show you what I packed, and hopefully it inspires you. So aesthetic, so aesthetic. Okay everyone, I have finally arranged what I'm going to be taking with me for my overnight trip down to Odawara. I've got a towel here. It's my small lightweight towel. I've got one pair of pants, one shirt, pajamas, a hat, broad brim because it'll be sunny, my swimsuit because I really want to try swimming in the ocean if it's not too cold, raincoat and umbrella because it is maybe supposed to rain, an excessive amount of pens because I want them, my journal, a little tote bag that folds up into itself, snackies because you gotta have some travel snacks, a little fan in case it's hot, electronics over here. We got my water bottle, which is lighter weight than the metal one, camera gear, so I've got my camera, GoPro, tripod, mount for the GoPro, extra SD cards, extra batteries. These two things are battery packs, so they're both fully charged. I'm bringing two because I'm starting to film, so I figure I might need them. An extra set of earbuds just in case, because the hostel doesn't have many outlets, so if I can't charge things, I want extra earbuds. A sleep mask in case it's rowdy in there and I need more like darkness, and then just like the bare essentials toiletries. Not bare essentials, that would be without makeup, but I wanna cutesify this weekend. So I got my little makeup palette, brow gel, my mascara, curler, that thing, a brush, and this, which a friend just gave me. So it's like a BB cream, so I'm gonna try that. Eyebrow pencil, a little mirror, toothbrush, baby powder for dry shampoo, which works great, sunscreen, and then this is just a like emergency toiletry, so it has like meds, band-aids, antibacterial cream, stain remover, nail file, that kind of stuff, antacids, you know. So this is my like on-the-go bag. I take this to work every day. But yeah, that's what I'm taking. I'm gonna put all of this into my backpack and I'm gonna carry it with me all the time. So that's why some of it is lighter, like on the clothing. I'm not bringing much because I have to carry all of this the whole time. So it's gonna be kind of heavy, but you know, I did it once before, so it'll be okay. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it inspires you to get out on your own adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!